The professionals at Red Rover Chimney Sweeps and Repair, we specialize in chimney relines, masonry repairs, and installations. Not only that, but we also perform stove repairs and dryer vent cleaning. And we can also troubleshoot draft problems. Let us know what you need, and we'll get to work for you. Red Rover Chimney Sweeps and Repair. Call us today.